The next example, we have a regular octagon, side length of 4. Our formula is 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. The perimeter, 4 times 8, is going to be 32. And again, I guess I can draw all sides of the octagon in here. Very messy. 8-sided figure. Side length is 4. And we're going to drop that apothem. That apothem divides that side into 2 pieces of 2. And if we do 360 divided by 8, our central angle is 45. So each of these smaller angles is 22.5. And I am going to draw that separate triangle here because it got a little messy. Those sides are each 2, and these are each 22.5. To find that side, we're going to do the tangent of 22.5 equals the opposite over the adjacent. Switching that around, you will have x equals 2 divided by the tangent of 22.5, and we get 4.8 for our apothem. Put it into our equation, and we have 0.5 times 4.8 times 32, which is 76.8 centimeters squared. In the next 3 examples, you will notice we are given the length of the apothem. This time we have a regular hexagon. We know the apothem is 8, but we need to find the perimeter. Same steps. Hexagon is a 6-sided figure. Drawing my triangle in here. This time the apothem is 8. And I'm going to draw that separate triangle. If I do 360 divided by 6, my central angle is 60. So that central angle divides into 2 angles of 30. And this time we want to find that length. So we have the tangent of 30 equals x over 8. So we can multiply 8 times the tangent of 30, which is 4.6. So each of those pieces are 4.6. If we double that, the entire side then is 9.2. And this was a 6-sided figure, so we multiply that by 6 to get our perimeter. 1/2 apothem times perimeter, 0.5 times 8 times 55.2, and the area in this case is 220.8 inches squared. Example E, we want a regular octagon. The apothem is 4 feet. So our formula is 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. Okay, this time I am only going to draw the one triangle in here. It's an octagon, so 360 divided by 8 means this is a 45-degree angle. Dividing by 2, each of those angles are 22.5, and the apothem in this case is 4. So we will have the tangent of 22.5 equals x over 4. 4 tangent of 22.5 is 1.65 I'm going to round that to 1.7. So both of those pieces are 1.7. That means the entire side length here then is 3.4. And this is an 8-sided figure, so to find the perimeter, we do 3.4 times 8, which is 27.2. 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter, and we end up with 54.4 square feet. And the last one, regular pentagon with an apothem of 5. So we can do 1/2 the apothem. We need to use some trig to figure out our perimeter. 5-sided figure. 360 divided by 5 is 72. So half of that will be 36. And the apothem is 5. We want to find that side length. So we will have the tangent of 36 equals x over 5. 5 times the tangent of 36 is 3.6. So each of those are 3.6. We double that, and all of our side lengths are 7.2. And 7.2 times 5 is 36. Then to find the area of that whole thing, 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter, and we end up with 90 centimeters squared.